Here's how you can predict where the market's going to go before it goes there. The easiest way to predict where the market's going to go is look at setups which form from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity, and this is how they look. So if the market is bearish and we're trading to the downside, you guys are looking for a dealing range to form. So below this low, we will have sell side liquidity, and above this high, we will have buy side liquidity. So above this high, this is external range liquidity high, and this is external range liquidity low. And anything inside of this range, this is internal range liquidity, and this comes in forms of fair value gaps. So you can identify them if price is traded into them and traded lower, and this will be your internal range liquidity. And usually you want to see fair value gaps that have not been tapped into. So once you've identified the external range liquidity, you are looking for the market to seek one side of the external range liquidity. So if we take out the external range liquidity low, we will target the internal range liquidity, which was the fair value gaps that we spoke about, and eventually the market will go back to the external range liquidity high and repeat the process. So this is the easiest way to predict where the market's going to go, looking at external range liquidity and internal range liquidity.
18 months ago, I couldn't pass a single prop firm challenge. Now, I'm a funded trader. Here's how. Step 1, I got the PipsGravity Mastermind Trading Plan. Link in bio. Step 2, I mastered market structure so I knew exactly when to buy and sell. Step 3, I learned liquidity traps and fair value gaps so I could trade with the banks, not against them. Step 4, I used their entry and trade management system to protect profits and grow my account. If you're tired of starting over, stop trading blind. PipsGravity is your shortcut to funded trader status.